This is Math Study Strategies presented by the Student Success Center at Eastern Kentucky University. Math can be hard, math can be frustrating, and math can be stressful. But that doesn't mean that you can't succeed with math. Math is different than many subjects, especially when it comes to studying. There aren't really terms to review or flashcards to make. For math, it's all about repetition. In this video, we'll go over a couple strategies to use while studying math in order to help you succeed and solve some of your math woes. First, ensure that you have a good space to study. Math can take a lot of brain power in order to think through the problems, so put yourself in a place that limits distractions. Go somewhere that is quiet and allows you to focus on math. Don't study in your bed because your brain won't want to work there, or if it does start working there, it may not want to sleep there later. Instead, go to a coffee shop, library, the Student Success Center, or create your own quiet study area where you live. As long as you are comfortable and can focus, almost anywhere will work, and that sends a message to your brain that this is where you study. For your study sessions, don't pile it on all at once. Cramming is not good for your brain, especially with math. Your brain needs time to digest the information, so waiting to study at the last minute and pull an all-nighter is not recommended. Spread out your studying and try to study earlier in the day. Break it into manageable chunks and allow yourself breaks in between where you can rest your brain and relax a little. Focus on the hard concepts first and break it into small segments. Breaking it into segments also allows your brain to absorb the info better and store it in your long-term memory. Now you're probably thinking, that all makes sense, but what do you actually study? This is where your homework and class notes come in. Both of these are essential for studying math. When in the classroom, make sure your notes are organized. Showing every step as you solve problems is crucial. Whether it's writing down a professor's examples in class, taking your own notes at home, or doing your online homework, make sure you show your work. That way, you can go back through to see what you get wrong and correct it for the test. Make sure you learn from your mistakes. It is one of the best ways to learn math. Now remember that repetition I was talking about earlier? Practice problems and homework are great for that. Your book always has more problems to work, and often online homework has a function to generate more problems. Just keep working and working problems, and you will master the concepts in no time. And if you get stuck, don't stress. With today's technology, there are so many different resources you can use. Come to the Student Success Center for help. Ask a friend. Use the help resources on your online homework. Sites such as Khan Academy, Wolfram Alpha, Symbolab, and YouTube can be of great help to you too. With all these strategies, you will be set for success. Make sure to watch our other video on math test taking strategies to give yourself the best chance for success.